Welcome to 60 Days to Master Python. In this course, you will learn everything from the basics of Python to advanced concepts all within 2 months. Whether you are starting with your programming journey or looking to sharpen your skills, this course is designed for you. Let's dive in. Congratulations on starting your Python learning journey. Over the next 60 days, we will guide you step by step from understanding Python's syntax to building real-world projects. Get ready to learn something exciting each day and apply what you have learned with mini projects. So, what will we learn? In the first 2 weeks, we will cover the fundamentals, Python syntax, loops, functions, and control flow. By week 3, we will dive into object-oriented programming and error handling. Then we will explore advanced topics like web development, data analysis, machine learning, and more. Every week ends with a mini project to help you apply your knowledge in practical ways. This course is designed for beginners, intermediate learners, and anyone interested in taking their Python skills to the next level. If you are new to Python, you will start with the basics. If you are already familiar with some concepts, we will take you deeper into advanced topics like machine learning and web development. Ready to level up? Let's go. Our course is structured with daily lessons that take just 15 to 30 minutes. Every week, we will focus on different Python concepts. You will finish each week with a mini project to help solidify your learning. And by the end, you will complete a capstone project to showcase your skills. Before we start coding, there are just a few things you will need: a computer, internet access, and Python installed on your system. Don't worry, on day 1, we will guide you through the installation process. You just need the motivation to learn and create. Why should you learn Python? Well, it's one of the easiest programming languages to learn with simple and readable syntax. It's also incredibly versatile, used in web development, AI, data science, automation, and much more. Plus, there's a high demand for Python developers in today's job market. By learning Python, you are opening doors to endless opportunities. Excited to begin? On day 1, you will get an introduction to Python, learn what makes it so popular, and set up your environment. Then we will guide you through writing your very first Python program, the classic Hello World. Get ready to write some code. Now that you know what's ahead, let's start coding together. Take it one step at a time and don't worry if you don't get everything perfect right away. Remember, the key is consistency and we will be with you every step of the way. Here's a quote to keep you going. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Every line of code you write brings you closer to mastering Python. Stay motivated, trust the process, and remember that every small step counts toward your success. Keep pushing forward. That's it for the introduction. You are all set to start day 1. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions or thoughts in the comments below. Let's dive in and start your Python journey today.